Welcome to this lesson, the fifth lesson of biology for ninth grade. Today we will talk about cell theory. The key concept of this lesson is cells, which are the basic unit of life. The cells theory grew out of the work of many scientists and improvements in the microscope. We have studied microscope in a previous lesson. We have known that there are two types of microscopes, light microscope and electronic microscope. Scientists contributed to the cell theory as Robert Hooke, and van Leeuwenhoek, Schleiden, Schwann, and Virchow. More was learned about cells as microscope improved. The cell theory is a unifying concept of biology. We see in this photo many types of cells. Early studies led to the development of the cell theory. The cell theory has three principles. All organisms are made up of cells. All existent cells are produced by other living cells. The cell is the most basic unit of life. Prokaryotic cells, which lacks a nucleus and most internal structure of eukaryotic cell. All cells share certain characteristics. Cells tend to be microscopic, it's very tiny. All cells are enclosed by a membrane. All cells are filled with cytoplasm. So we see in this diagram bacterium cell, which has a cell membrane and cytoplasm inside. There are two types of cells, eukaryotic cells and prokaryotic cells. Eukaryotic cells have a nucleus, which is surrounded by a nuclear envelope. Prokaryotic cells do not have membrane-bound organelles. Prokaryotic cells don't have a nucleus. Prokaryotic cells don't have membrane-bounded organelles, as in the diagram. Eukaryotic cell upside and the prokaryotic cells are downside.